Hello, thank you for taking a few minutes today for an update on the Society's response to COVID-19. You'll receive a video update from me every Friday, so I hope you continue to tune in. To begin, I'll share some stats on the presence of COVID-19 at the Society. As of Thursday, 31 of our 269 locations have at least one confirmed case of COVID-19. 42 employees and 64 residents and clients are currently infected. Many of these individuals are on their way to recovery, and we pray the rest will quickly regain their health. Now, I'm sad to tell you we have had 6 residents pass away who were tested positive for COVID-19, and our hearts, our thoughts, and our prayers are with their families. Next, I'd like to share an update on our supplies. Throughout the pandemic, we've worked closely with Sanford Health's supply chain team to secure supplies and PPE. This partnership is critical and is one of the many examples of how the Society and Sanford are stronger together. Another way we're supporting supply needs is by getting a weekly report of supply inventory from your leaders. Having this information makes it possible for us to quickly move supplies to those areas most in need in the time of crisis. Every day we wake up thinking about supplies and talk about them throughout the day. It's at the top of our mind, and we're constantly working to make sure you have the PPE you need. Every system across the country is fighting for these same supplies, and I think at this point we're holding our own. Lastly, I want to talk about you, our valuable employees. You're at the front lines of this pandemic, and you're caring for some of the most vulnerable in our nation. Each day you get up and go to work, and you are a hero. There's no doubt that this role and responsibility at times can cause some fear and anxiety. It's normal, it's understandable. I hope you can take comfort knowing that our number one priority is the health and safety of you, our residents, and our clients. This is why we're working hard to secure supplies to protect you. We're carefully monitoring guidance from CDC and CMS to make sure we have the latest information to keep everyone safe. We're prioritizing communication so you and your leaders have the resources you need to keep providing excellent care. We have employee well-being resources available on Inside Sanford. Even with all the resources and preventative measures in place, I want you to know it is completely normal to feel a whole range of emotions throughout this pandemic. There's a lot to handle. Thank you for your selfless and compassionate spirit. You are what makes this organization great, and we are grateful for you. Thank you, stay safe, and see you next week.